Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amit Nayak and today I am going to talk about one of the important homeopathic remedy, which is deep acting remedy, which is very good for female reproductive problems, which is one of the best medicine in case of orchitis, in case of acute prostatitis. I am talking about Pulsatilla. So windflower is a common name of this remedy, and this medicine is proved by our master Dr. Hahnemann sir. So this is very important that how we assess, evaluate, determine, ascertain, identify this remedy during our clinical practice. So it is very important and very interesting. So there are lots of rubrics, there are lots of mental symptoms which we have to observe during our clinical practice. So what kind of observation we will find in form of rubric? So the first important observation which we can see in case of Pulsatilla, that is nature. The patient is mild in nature, patient is gentle, yielding disposition you will find. Yielding means adjustable in nature. They are not like a causticum, because in case of causticum, injustice can never be tolerated. They are not like a Staphysagria, because Staphysagria suppress their emotions. Staphysagria patient suppress her anger. What Pulsatilla patient always want to be happy. They always want to avoid all these kind of issues. They tell that it's okay, leave it. I have no interest to talk about these matters. So they want to be happy. They don't want to take any kind of tension from others. So when you interact with your patient in initial stage, patient will be shy in nature, patient will be introverted. But once they become familiar, they are extroverted and they are beeping disposition. They cannot narrate her symptom, or you can say they cannot narrate their symptom without beeping. So this is very important feature which you have to find in case of Pulsatilla, or which you can notice in case of Pulsatilla. They need sympathy. They want attention. So once you start to take case taking from your side, and when you interact with your patient, and when you ask, tell me something about yourself, how are you, how do you feel, what is your opinion about your family, what is your opinion about your health. So they cannot tell their problem without beeping, or you can say they cannot narrate their symptoms without beeping. So this is very important and interesting. They are abrupt. What mild abrupt you will find. They are neb. In Hindi terminology, neb means bholapan. They can be easily cheated by others, not only in one times, but many times. So neb is a kind of rubric which you will see in case of Pulsatilla. Symptoms changeability you will see in case of Pulsatilla, not only on the physical level but also the mental level. In one moment, patient is very happy, very jolly, very lively, but in another expression they are sad, they are despondent. So such type of nature you will observe in case of Pulsatilla. And as far as particulars are concerned, so this is a remarkable remedy in case of headache, where there is wandering type of pain. Pain is shifting in nature, migrating in nature, migrate from one part to the another part. Pain with chilliness, and pain extend to the face and teeth. And you will also find supraorbital pain. This is also very good remedy for vertigo, which will be relieved by open air. There are lots of patients who tell that, sir, I am suffering from vertigo. When I walk outside from my house or when I get open air, my most of the problem has been sorted out. So this is very important, remarkable symptom which you can see, very practical symptom which you can see in case of Pulsatilla. It is also very good remedy for chronic suppurative otitis media, where discharge is fetid, greenish, very offensive discharge you will find, just like a Merksol. In case of Merksol, you will also find very offensive discharge. External ear will be swelling. And it is also very good remedy for otalgia, where pain with chilliness. This is also a remarkable remedy for coryza. Chronic coryza you can see, and discharge will be offensive and fetid. Greenish discharge you can see in case of Pulsatilla, where patient will tell that I have lost my smell. Dr. William Borick sir clearly mentioned in his book that patient has lost his smell. So very remarkable remedy. And there is stoppage of right nostrils. Chronic coryza you can see. It is also a very good remedy for eye troubles, where lids are inflamed and agglutinated. Very good remedy for subacute conjunctivitis. There is bland discharge, acrid discharge from the eyes. Lacrimation you will find in case of eyes. So these are some important highlighting symptoms in case of eye troubles. This is also very good remedy for the facial neuralgia, where pain extends from different direction. Pain is migrating in nature. There is wandering pain which you can see in case of Pulsatilla. Means migrate from one part to the another part. This is also a very good remedy for mouth troubles, where you will see the crackness over the middle part of the lip, and tongue is just like a antimonium tarticum. Yellow is coated tongue, white coated tongue. Nobody can easily understand that this is a remarkable remedy for problems related to the tongue. But yes, it is a very well indicated, where you will see yellow, white coated tongue. And patient is thirstless. Patient is thirstless. There is no thirst. This is also very good remedy in case of stomach troubles, especially indicated for those people who always prefer high calorie diet in form of pizza, burger, chow mein, Maggi. So after getting such type of high calorie diet, they might have problems like dyspepsia, acidity, flatulence. So Pulsatilla can be illustrated. This is also a very good remedy in case of female reproductive problems. Very good remedy for amenorrhea, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, where the menses is too late, quantity is scanty. Characteristic feature of the blood is dark, clotted intermittent and changeable, because I told earlier symptom changeability you will find, which is not only on the physical level but also the mental level. And diarrhea during and after the menses is also a very well indicated feature of this remedy. This is also a very good medicine for the respiratory problem, where cough in two paroxysms. So you will find two remedy in these symptoms. First Pulsatilla and second Merxol. In single paroxysms, Calcarea carp can be considered. In three paroxysms, two metals can be illustrated: Cuprum metallicum and Sternum metallicum. And there is dry cough in evening and at night, but loose cough in the morning. This is highlighting a symptom of this remedy. This is also a good remedy for fever, where you will find thirstless, but what fever with chilliness. Cough especially at 4 p.m. There will be body ache, pain with chilliness, and when pain comes suddenly, go gradually. When comes gradually, go suddenly. And pain is flying in nature, migrate from one part to the another part. This is also very good remedy for osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, where pain is wandering in nature, migrate from one joint to the another joint. So whenever you will find all these kind of symptoms related to the joint problem or orthopedic problem, Pulsatilla can be recognized. This is also a very good remedy for hemorrhoids. Very good remedy for hemorrhoids. This is also a good one for skin troubles, especially in case of urticaria, for those people who always prefer high calorie diet. And it is also very well indicated in case of acne during, or you can say at puberty. Acne at puberty, Pulsatilla can be considered. So these are some highlighting feature of this remedy. And this is also very good remedy for toothache. And you can see the picture of coffea. What kind of picture? In case of coffea, pain will be relieved by holding cold water. So same in case of Pulsatilla. So I hope that you got everything from my side. And one more symptom I want to add in whole picture, that most of the problem will be sorted out by open air. During labor, patient always want to open the door and window. They have no problem because they feel uneasiness. They always prefer open air. That is why I was talking about it is a very good remedy for vertigo, where problem will be sorted out by open air. Very good remedy for such type of problem. So my dear friends, I hope that you got everything from my side. And I know very well that you might have many questions or query on your mind. So whenever you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.